There's been outrage in Sabah against a 40-year-old man who's defended his marriage to a 13-year-old girl he's been accused of raping.
Generally, the ladies were outraged, I can say that, because they feel that she has been taken advantage of. This is their feeling. Because here is a 40-year-old man, he's not as if he's a teenager, and then he's a 13-year-old girl. And he is her employer. So definitely the facts are not good.
Ridwan Mazmud was charged on February 28 with raping the girl inside a car parked by the roadside in Sabah on February 18th. In the midst of his trial, Ridwan declared he had married the girl under Sharia law as his second wife. And he's now told reporters outside a courtroom in Kota Kinabalu that the marriage was one of mutual consent. Judge Umu Khatom has given the Attorney General's chambers until June 6 to make a decision on whether or not to proceed with the case. The Sabah Law Association's Mariati Robert has been in the courtroom during the trial, holding a watching brief.
From what we know from the court hearing I had yesterday, the accused is a 40-year-old man and the victim is a 13-year-old girl. These are the basic facts now. So initially he was charged with rape, and then during the second hearing, the defense counsel asked for an adjournment so that he could proceed with his application in the Sharia court to marry this underage girl. So yesterday when I went to court, doing a watching brief for the Sabah Law Association, we were informed that he is already married to her. So that is the situation at the moment. And then the public prosecutor have told the court that they will come out with a decision on the 6th of June as to whether or not to proceed with the case. That is the situation actually.
So why has the case gone to Sharia court?
Well, to start with, both parties are Muslims, and apparently under the Sharia court, you can make an application for an underage girl to get married can get married to an underage girl, even though I think the law basically is that it is only allowed for those who are 16 and above. But the thing is, during this application, from what I gathered, the judges will hear the parents of the girl and give due consideration to the facts of the case. That's why that part I thought we will respect, because the thing is we don't know all the exact facts, so I wouldn't know the reasons why the Sharia court allowed the application. But that application was apparently approved, and then now he's married to the girl. Yeah.
So what are the possible outcomes?
It's a bit hard to say, because to me, the basic fact would be, were they married at the time of the offense? That, to me, that should be, to me, if I were prosecuting the case, I would look at that, because that is actually where the scene of the crime is. Because if at that point in time they were not married, regardless, even if they are married now, I would think he should be prosecuted. This is my personal view.
Is this something new? Is this a common occurrence in Sabah?
I wouldn't say it's common, but from what was being said, she's not the first. That's what we hear, you see. But the thing is, this is the first time that's reported, which we are so glad about. So at least now there's more public awareness on this kind of situation. But I will not say it's rampant, because this girl used to be in school, because she's only 13. So I will not say it's rampant.
Do you think it's highlighted an issue, or what's the positives that we can take out of this?
Well, first and foremost, I think we should educate the young people what the laws on rape. And I think we have, because I'm in some NGOs and we have been doing this, and the young men are quite aware that they should never have sexual relationships with girls under 16. So we like this to continue, But apparently this old man haven't heard of it. So these are things I think out of this case we have to increase public awareness on the situation, on the law as it is. So there will be more respect, so that people don't have relationship with underage girls. And I think we should also perhaps educate the parents, that if situations like this, they should perhaps ask for professional help, even from the Sabah Law Association, for advice as to what they should do.